Hi, what you see here are the four Tommy Bahama fans from Emerson. They're running low speed. And be showing medium and high. This one is a replacement of the one that looks like those three. We had a blade arm bent very badly. They did take a video of all four original ones. So this is a re-video of those three. And the first video of that one. Unfortunately, they all say you have bad transmission times and not much faster than medium. They don't move very much air either. But I do have an original video which showed all four original one good capacitors. It has some low and don't make much noise. Anyway, thanks for watching. Comment, rate, subscribe.